Divide 728 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 4. So we put down these 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 0. So 728 divided by 4 is 182. So this much for today and thanks for watching.